something amazing happens. It's a process that powers our entire solar system. It's like a giant power plant, but instead of coal or oil, it uses tiny particles called protons. This process is called nuclear fusion, where these protons collide and merge. It's what makes the sun shine so brightly and gives us the heat and light essential for life on Earth. Fusion can only happen in extreme conditions that are hard to imagine. Imagine the sun's core. It's unbelievably hot, reaching millions of degrees Celsius. The pressure is immense, like a giant squeezing everything together with unimaginable force. These extreme conditions are crucial for fusion to occur, creating the energy that powers the sun. Only then can the sun's tiny particles overcome their natural repulsion and fuse together, releasing vast amounts of energy. It's a cosmic dance of incredible power, a dance that has been going on for billions of years, fueling the sun and in turn, life on Earth. Hydrogen atoms have a tiny particle called a proton in their center. Think of protons like tiny marbles bouncing around. In the sun's core, these protons are moving incredibly fast because of the heat. They're constantly bumping into each other. Most times, they just bounce off. But sometimes, something incredible happens. If the protons hit each other with enough force, they can fuse together. This fusion is the key to the sun's energy. A neutron is another type of particle found in atoms. Now we have a proton and a neutron stuck together. This duo is called a deuterium nucleus. Deuterium is simply a heavy form of hydrogen, but the fusion party isn't over yet. This deuterium nucleus is still dancing around in the sun's core. It's looking for another proton to join the fun. Something amazing happens. A tiny bit of mass disappears. This process is known as nuclear fusion, and it's the powerhouse of the sun. This mass doesn't just vanish. Instead, it transforms into energy, a concept that might seem almost magical. It gets converted into a tremendous amount of energy, according to Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared. This equation tells us that even a small amount of mass can be converted into a huge amount of energy. This energy is what makes the sun shine. It's the reason we see the sun as a bright, glowing ball in the sky. The energy is released in the form of light and heat. These solar flares and rays are the sun's way of sending its energy out into the universe. This light and heat travel from the sun's core all the way to Earth, giving us warmth and allowing life to thrive. Without this energy, our planet would be a cold, lifeless place. The sun's energy is essential for all living things on Earth, from the smallest plants to the largest animals. The sun, our life-giving star, rises each day, painting the sky with hues of orange and gold. Fusion is the reason we exist. Deep within the sun, hydrogen atoms fuse to form helium, releasing immense energy. The sun's energy, powered by fusion, is essential for life on Earth. This energy travels millions of miles to reach us, providing warmth and light. It provides the light plants need for photosynthesis, which produces oxygen and food. Without this process, the food chain would collapse. The sun's heat warms our planet, making it habitable. It melts snow, warms the oceans, and creates the perfect conditions for life. It drives our weather patterns and keeps water in liquid form, which is crucial for all living things. The sun's energy powers the water cycle, ensuring that rivers flow and rain falls. So the next time you feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, remember the incredible process of fusion happening millions of miles away. This warmth is a reminder of the sun's vital role in our lives. It's a cosmic dance that sustains all life on Earth. The sun's energy is a gift, a constant presence that we often take for granted, yet it is the very essence of our survival.